It is our second chapter, that is nutrition in an living organism, animals and man. Chapter 2 of biology. So let's start this. In the animal nutrition, these are the main steps. In animal nutrition, the first one is mode of intake of food. Means how an animal obtain its food from the environment. As you can see in your environment that there are different organisms and they adopt different methods to obtain the food. For example, a bird has a beak and a squirrel has teeth, and we take food in the by taking a small you can say small bowl of it, small ball of it, a ball of food we take. Secondly, food requirement and food habits. Means what are our food requirements? Are we taking the food which is only and only plant based, and are we taking animals as our food? The third one, utilization in the body. How that food is utilized in our body. So these are the three main steps of animal nutrition. Food habits of animals. We are having different food habits. Here it is written types of Holozoic nutrition. In the previous chapter, we discussed that in animals there are Holozoic type of nutrition in which we obtain a food ball and it is to be digested. So on that type of nutrition, animals are categorized into three types. One is herbivorous. Herb. Herb means green plant. So the organisms that feed on plants are known as herbivores. Herbivores means the organism which directly feed on plants. ये सिर्फ plants खाते हैं. Second is carnivores. Organisms that feed on other organisms. Means ऐसे organisms जो दूसरे organisms को as a food लेते हैं. Those are known as carnivores. Third one is omnivores. These are the organisms that feed on both plant and animals. देखिए, herbivores feed only on plant, carnivores feed on another organisms, and omnivores they feed on plants as well as other organisms. So, in which category we are? Human being is known as omnivores because हम plants के ऊपर भी depend करते हैं और कुछ जो human beings हैं वो animals भी खाते हैं. As you know that there are two type of diets. One is you can say vegetarian and another is non-vegetarian. Modes of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is of three types. You know that animals and man have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In the previous chapter, we also have discussed about it. One is Holozoic nutrition that I have discussed with you in the previous slide. Saprophytism. These are known as saprotropic organisms. And third one is parasitism, means parasitic nutrition. In the Holozoic nutrition, organism feed by ingesting solid. मैंने आपसे बोला था ना हम एक solid bowl की form में food bowl लेते हैं, in which the matter is to be digested and absorbed by our body. We will discuss this process in this chapter. Examples are human being, animals, insectivores, plants. Saprotrophic या saprophytism. These are saprophytes. They feed on dead and decaying matter. It includes fungi, bacteria, and they obtain their nutrition externally. In the previous chapter, again I'm telling you that in the previous chapter we have discussed about it, that they are having extracellular nutrition. Parasitic, which obtain their nutrient from another living organisms. So they get their nutrient from another living organisms. ये दूसरे डेड ऑर्गेनिज्म से फूड लेंगे और ये किसी दूसरे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स लाइक फ्लेज, लाइस, टेपवर्म एटसेट्रा. लाइस, आई डिस्कस्ड इट इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर दैट जो हमारे सर में जुएं हो जाते हैं, बेसिकली वो हम भी लिविंग है और हमसे फूड लेते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दैट दीज आर parasitic, they are having parasitic mode of nutrition. So we have discussed about this type of nutrition, and in the further slides we will discuss about the nutrition in human being. Till then, goodbye.